Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is how to clog your sink with some household items we probably used back in science class when we were in elementary school. You remember we tried to do those volcanoes in which we would mix baking soda with vinegar and watch it all fizz up, and then we'd think, oh my God, it's a volcano. Yeah. Well, you can use that to unclog your drain. A lot of times there's things in our drains and you're finding that your water's just not going down in your sink very well, and it's just taking longer and longer and longer to drain. Well, if you use those household items, what you need to do is you can get about half of a cup of baking soda and pour it into the drain, and then follow that up with half a cup of vinegar, get a wet rag and put it into the drain, and you leave it there for about 5 minutes. So again, back in the science experiment, what happened was that when we were kids, the volcano, we know that mixture would come up and would really foam and it come out down the volcano. Well, now by putting that rag in there, we're forcing all that gas and that air to push all that gunk and stuff that's clogged in the drain into the drain and push it to clear for you to make a nice path. It's also an eco-friendly way of doing that as opposed to using some of those really poisonous household cleaners. So try that today. Let me know how it goes. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.